Your fire alarm control panel has been showing a trouble light for 3 weeks. Someone on your maintenance team silenced the buzzer on day 2. Everyone assumes it is a glitch and moves on. Here is what the fire marshal will say about that, what your liability looks like if something happens while that light is on. A trouble condition on your fire alarm panel is not a false alarm. It is a supervisory signal telling you that part of the system is no longer functioning as designed. This could be a disconnected device, a wiring fault, a communication failure to the monitoring station, or a low battery. Every trouble condition has a specific cause and must be investigated. When your team silences the trouble buzzer without resolving the cause, the underlying problem remains. If that problem is a detector that lost communication with the panel, that detector will not trigger a building alarm in a fire. Your system looks operational from the outside. It is not. Fire alarm control panels log every event with a timestamp. That log is readable by the fire marshal and by attorneys in litigation. A trouble condition that was silenced and not resolved for 3 weeks is documented evidence of deferred maintenance. That record does not disappear. The moment a trouble condition appears, document it. Contact your licensed fire alarm contractor within 24 hours. Do not silence the audible signal without written documentation of the cause. The repair must be completed and verified in writing before the condition is closed. If any of this sounds familiar, do not wait for your next inspection to find out you have a problem. At ABAR Technology Group, we specialize in fire alarm detection systems for condos, HOAs, and high-rise buildings throughout South Florida. Call us or visit our website to schedule your free compliance assessment. I am Abner Reyes, and I will see you in the next video.